Hello, family. I hope you all are doing well. I miss y'all, and I hope y'all like this unit that I got in today's video. This video is long overdue. Let's get into it. This wig is from Yolissa Hair. If anyone is interested in this wig, I'll be sure to leave the website link in the description box with other links that you might be interested in. If I can get a coupon code, I will be sure to leave it in there as well. When you order, they send you some goodies in the box. I got a pair of eyelashes, 2 HD wig caps, a Yolissa Hair edge band, a edge brush / comb, a silk storage bag, and a silk edge band. The wig came neatly packaged, and in today's video, we got us a 613 unit. And this wig comes with a 13x6 lace frontal parting space, okay? Behind the parting space, there are 2 combs with another comb in the nape area and adjustable straps. They also inserted a elastic band to get an extra secure, snug, flat fit. As for the wig, it was made on a stretch fit breathable material. The lace on this wig is transparent. As for the hair texture, it is on the silky side. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. Right here is a close-up on the hairline. Yolissa Hair did a good job pre-plucking the hairline. The hairline comes lightly pre-plucked. As for the knots is already light, so I'm glad I don't have to go in and bleach it, but I am going to go in and tone the knots, and I'm going to tone the lace and tone the hair as well. Like, I gotta get some of that yellowness out. So I'm gonna go in with some hot water from the faucet. After that, I squeeze some Shimmer Lights purple shampoo in there, and then I'm gonna mix it up really good. After I mix it up and I make sure there is no lumps, no bumps, no clumps, I'm just gonna go in there and just drown the wig in there, like, push it in there, push it in there. And after I push it in there, I dip it in and out, making sure that I am eyeing the color. The longer you leave it soaking, the silver it gets. So I wanted silver, but I didn't want it too silver, so I took it out after 10 minutes. If I could go back, I would have left it in there for 15 minutes, but I'm just gonna make what I have work. After that, I'm gonna go in with this Wella Charm T35 toner and 10 volume developer. I applied this toner all over the lace. I thought I had a clip of how I did it, but I don't, so I'm sorry about that. But I just took the toner and applied it on the knots and the lace underneath the wig, and this is how it came out in the end. So after that, I went in and customized the wig hairline off camera, and this is the before and after. The left side is how the wig comes, the right side is my end result. With me leaving the wig in that purple shampoo water, as you can see, it got rid of some of that brassy yellow tone, and my lace is a little darker compared to when it came after using the T35 toner on the roots. Well, not really the roots, the knots and the lace of the wig. So hey there, it is time for the wig install. Okay, so first I'm going to cut off that extra lace in the front, and to cut off the extra lace, I use eyebrow scissors. Underneath the wig, I took some Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade number 12. I used the darkest shade in that palette, and I applied it underneath the lace lightly, but only to the spots that I'll be showing, so that is the parting space and hairline of the wig. Off camera, I went in and applied my ball cap method. I used one of those HD wig caps that came with the wig. And I got a little sunburn on my hairline, so don't mind that, like a little discoloration after vacation. But now I'm just going in and putting on the wig. When I put on the wig, I make sure that elastic band that is on the inside of the wig is laying flat and comfortable by my nape area. Right here, I was smiling because I'm like, this is pretty cute, but I'm not too sure if it's cute on me. I don't know. We're going to have to finish it. So the lace was looking pretty good on my skin already, but I'm definitely going to glue it down for this wig show and tell. So I'm going to go in with believe this is a lip liner, something brown, some type of brown liner. And I'm going to use this as my outline for where the lace is laying on my forehead. Now I'm using Erica J Hold Me Down glue, and I'm just using this to trace like behind the line I just did. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with a paper towel that has some damp water on it, and I'm going to hurry up and rub off that lip liner, that brown lip liner. I am using a edge brush glue applicator, and I'm just smoothing the glue straight back into the ball cap method. And I go over this with 2 more thin layers of glue, and then I lay my wig down. I'm just letting y'all know what I do because I skipped through that part so I don't hold up too much of y'all time. I didn't even have to pay for a facelift. I noticed it was pulling my eyes back, but I was okay with it because I was looking cute. And I could have put the lace down a little further on my forehead. I did end up missing some of the glue, but I was like, all right, I'm gonna just make it work and do the wig show and tell so you guys can see what this wig looked like for anybody that's curious about this wig from Yolissa Hair. The bands that came with the wig in the wig box, I'm going to use those to help lay my lace down. So I left this on for only about 10 minutes. This is just a wig show and tell, so I didn't really feel the need to melt it. But even after I did the wig show and tell, I did leave this wig on for 3 days. So it ended up staying on longer than it was supposed to. Okay, beautiful. Right here is my end results. Again, this wig is from Yolissa Hair. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sponsoring today's video. This wig on their website is their blonde lace front wigs, human hair 613, straight frontal wigs, pre-plucked hairline. The length of this wig is 22 inches. The hair density is 200%. The cap size is medium. And again, this wig comes with a 13 by 6 lace frontal parting space. What's really dope with getting a 613 wig from Yolissa Hair is they have a lot of varieties. You can get your hair density lower if 200 is too thick for you. You can even get it thicker because on their website they have 180%, 200, and 250. I have this in 200. This is my first 13x6 frontal human hair 613 wig, and I love it. This is definitely a game changer for me. Like, I always love me a 13x6 frontal parting space, but it hits different with the blonde hair. Like, I feel like it helps make the parting space more flat compared to the 13x4, and the deeper the parting space, the more natural a wig look. I went in and split my hair in the back, and my tracks isn't showing. You also can't see my wig cap. I did go in and cut a little bit of the ends off and gave it a light blunt cut. So instead of it being 22 inches, I would say it falls about 20 inches on me, and my height is 5'6". When Yolissa Hair stated that they were sending me a 613 HD unit, I honestly didn't believe it. I was like, get out of here. I already know the lace is going to be transparent. But once I got the lace to match my skin tone, it made the melt super easy. Like, I was like, wow, this wig is a keeper. If I ever needed a good quality 613 wig without super breaking the bank, then I would definitely purchase from Yolissa Hair again. Like, I'm totally loving this wig. Love, love, love it. Whenever I reinstall this wig, I'm going to go in and tone the hair a little bit more and make it more ash blonde. When I went out, I did get tons of compliments. I don't know, something about blonde hair on a brown skin make the people go a little crazy, okay? This is how it looks in natural sunlight. I was honestly proud of myself. Like I said, I could have pulled the lace down a little bit more on the glue, but it wasn't too bad. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later.